Hi, this is Leslie Josel, academic and parenting coach of Order Out of Chaos, and you are watching another episode of Lessons with Leslie. So how many of you have a student at home who hates the three-hole punch? Trust me, I work with millions of kids, and that's what they tell me is their number one I don't want to do. So I found a product that takes that out of the equation. It's called the Duo Accordion Binder. And what makes it awesome is that it's not only a binder where they can actually write their notes for each different class, but it also is, wait for it, an accordion file, which is so awesome to have it all in one place. So they can label each of the files right here for each of their subjects. They can put their homework right in the beginning, and this way, once every class is over, they can just take this out, put it in the right class, and they're instantly organized. It's the Duo Accordion file. You're not going to find it in stores. You have to go on either Amazon.com or OfficeMax.com and find it. It comes in 10 different colors, and it is my number one go-to for students that don't want a three-hole punch.